Over the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you a story of how Qlik helped Takeuchi solve a critical business problem in our new manufacturing facility. We are a leader in the compact construction industry, and last year we celebrated 60 years in business. We had a year to set up a manufacturing facility and ramp up production from assembling 2 machines a month to 40 machines a day. We were finding upwards of 3 defects per machine coming down the line. And the icing on the cake, our operational data was being captured in Excel, not in our ERP system. So it was really difficult and time-consuming to figure out why we had so many defects. Naturally, we turned to Qlik to help us provide insights. It took us less than 1 week to create a process to load the Excel data into Qlik and turn out an application with powerful visualizations. It enabled our manufacturing team to count, categorize, and find the root cause of the defects. Our defects quickly dropped to less than 1 per machine. My story is a very simple example of how we harnessed the power of Qlik to help solve a critical and immediate business problem. We stood up an application very quickly, and in no time we were able to provide a ton of value for our manufacturing team.